Next is multiplication of matrix. Multiplication of matrix, or it is also called as matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Suppose if A is a matrix of order, if A is a matrix of order M cross P and B is a matrix of order P cross N, then product of AB. Product of AB means what? Multiplication of matrix is of order M cross N. M cross N. So this is the definition of the multiplication of matrix. So multiplication of matrix is possible only if a matrix, multiplication of matrix can be defined as if A is a matrix of order M cross P and B is a matrix of order P cross N and the product of AB is of order M cross N. So here the product, the multiplication of matrix is obtained if the multiplication of matrix is obtained, multiplication of matrix is obtained if a multiplication of matrix is obtained only if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Number of rows of second matrix. So multiplication of matrix is obtained. Okay, how we can tell the multiplication of matrix is obtained? It can be obtained only if number of columns of the first matrix, if it is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So take down matrix. Okay, if A is a matrix of order M cross P and B is the matrix of order P cross N, then the product of order of matrix. Then the product of order of matrix is M cross N. So therefore, in order to obtain the matrix, of order of a product AB, then what we should have? We should have the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Then only we can get the order of matrix, the product of the matrix AB. Please note down. Even if you have, you can have a formula. A is M cross P into B. B is P cross N. Then the product of AB will be of order M cross N. Yes, please note down even this one also. Copy down. I will take first 1 mark question. If A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 4 and B is equal to minus 1, 3. Here he didn't ask the order of matrix. We'll see the order of matrix is possible or not. Okay, we'll see, check the order of matrix. So first matrix I can take M into P and second matrix is P into N. Always you should take rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there? 2 columns are there. Here also 2 rows are there and how many columns are there? 1. So therefore AB I should get in the form of M into N, that is 2 into 1. So the order or the product of matrix, okay, AB will be order of what order? 2 cross 1. So it will be order of 2 cross 1 once we get the product. Now in order to find the multiplication of AB, first A then B. So you take down first matrix A, 3, 1, 2, 4. Then you take matrix B, minus 1, 3. Because these two are multiplying to one another. So what you should do is, you should multiply the first row with first column. Okay, first row, if there is second column, we should multiply with second column. First row, if it is third column, we should multiply with third column. That means the first row of the first matrix should be multiplied with each and every element, each and every column of the second matrix by the corresponding elements. That means for 3, the corresponding element is -1. For 1, the corresponding element is 3. So that means if there is another row, for example 4 and 5, again this 3 1 should be multiplied with 4 and 5. That means every row of the first matrix should be multiplied with each and every column of the second matrix. That we keep in the mind. But in this case we have only one column, so these two rows will multiply with one column. So plus into minus, otherwise you can take like this, 3 into -1 plus into plus plus 1 into 3. So first row, first column. First row, there is no second column, third column, hence it is finished. Next, second row with first column. So 2 into -1. Okay, plus into plus, plus 4 into 3. So AB is equal to, okay, 3 into -1 is -3 plus 3, -2 plus 12. So therefore, I will get AB is equal to 3 minus 3, 0 and 10. If you check, this is 2 rows and 1 column. This is not required. Only I told that the product of AB is 2 rows and 1 column. Yes, please copy down this one. Yes. The next question is, if A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4, find A square. A square means we should not square the given matrix. Many students will write that A square is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4 whole square. So next they will write 3 square minus 1 whole square, 2 square minus 4 whole square. So they will write 9, 1, 4, 16. So this is the wrong method. This method cannot be done. That means you should not square the given matrix. You should not square the given matrix. If you do this method, even though your answer is correct, still it is wrong, because the method of solving is totally wrong. The method of solving is totally wrong. Hence, this method cannot be done. Why I am doing this means, I observed from your seniors, okay, in the evaluation also, many of the students, what they do is, A square means for the given matrix they will square it. Each and every number, each and every element, they will square it and they will write answers of this type. Even though your answer is correct, even though sometimes you may get the answer correct, even though your answer is correct, okay, for example, if you take 1001, if you square will get same, if you cube will get same. Even though your answer is correct, still the method of approaching is totally wrong, hence you will get 0 marks. Hence, this is not the right method. Keep this in the mind. In spite of telling, few students will do this one. So, A square means this is the multiplication of matrix A into A. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2. X square is nothing but x into x. Similarly, A square is nothing but A into A. So, first matrix A. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4. One more matrix. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4. Then first row, first column. First row, first column. So, this is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. I shall write directly. 3 3s are 9. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 2 is 2. I written directly. First row, first column. Next, first row, there is one more column also. You should do for all the columns. First row with all the columns. Second row with all the columns, like that. 3 plus into minus, minus. 3 1s are 3. Minus into minus, plus. 1 into 4, 4. First row is finished with first column as well as second column. Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. Plus into plus, plus. There is plus sign, you need not write. 2 3 times 6. For the 4 corresponding element is 2. Plus into minus, minus. 4 2 times is 8. Next, second row, second column. Plus into minus, minus. 2 1 time is 2. Minus into minus, plus. 4 4 times is 16. So a square is equal to 9 minus 8 is 7. Minus 3 plus 4. Different sign, subtract 1. Greater number sign. Plus, no need to write. 6 minus 8. Different sign, subtract 2. Greater number sign is minus. So different sign, subtract 14. Greater number sign is plus. You need not write. So this is how we are supposed to find the a square. This is the right method to find the a square. Okay, this is the right method to find the a square. Let's please copy down this one. Yes, for you the fourth question is homework, and fifth question is given. You have to find the value of x and y if x and y in the form of a column is equal to 2 3 1 0. And the second matrix on the right hand side is 1 0 only. So in order to find x and y value, x y is equal to first row, first column. Of course we have only one column, so 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 0 0. Next, second row, one column, 1 into 1 1 plus 0. So x y is equal to 2 and 1. Definitely these two are equal matrix. So therefore x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So this is the value of x and y. Just please note down this one. And further for you, sixth question will be homework. I will do seventh question. Just please copy down this one. Yes. Next, seventh question. I think there should be wrong here. Maybe 3, I think. So we'll do faster. If it doesn't, if it is not 2, we'll make it 3. Most probably it may be 2 or 3. Something is wrong in the textbook. We'll see. If it is 2, fine, okay. If it is not 2, we'll make it 3. After solving only, we can come to know that whether it is 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Yes. First. Now. First, these two are multiplication matrix and these matrix are equal to the other matrix. So, for this first row, first column. Remember, first row has only one element. First column has also only one element. So, that is 4 into x. 4x. First row, first column. First row, second column. 4y. Okay. First row, third column. 4z. Right? So, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Second row, first column, 1 into x, x, so 1x. Next, 1 into y, 1y. Okay, second row, third column, 1 into z, 1z. Similarly, this. Third row, first column, 3 into x, 3x. 3 into y, 3y, 3z. Is equal to 4, 8, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 2. Now he is asking you to find x, y, z. So these two are equal matrix only. I can take anything. 4x is equal to 4. So x equal to 4 by 4, x equal to 1. Next, 4y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 by 4. Y is equal to 2. Then 4z is equal to 4. Z is equal to 4 by 4. Z is equal to 1. Even in this z is equal to 1. Whereas here 3z is equal to 2. So z is equal to 2 by 3. So that means this is not 2. You make it change in the textbook. It should be 3. In the textbook it should be 3, not 2. Change it as 3 in the textbook. Okay, because in these two cases, when I compare 4z is equal to 4, z is equal to 1, in first two cases of the z value is same, 1. Whereas in third one, it is z is equal to 2 by 3. That means there is wrong in the question. Instead of 2, this one instead of 2, you make it 3. So change in the textbook. Please change this in the textbook. Yes, please note down. So this is the value of x, y, z. You to find the value of x. That means we have only one row, one column. That's all. One row, one column. 2 into 1, 2. Plus into plus, plus. 4 into x, 4x. Plus 4 is equal to 3. So 4x, 2 2s are 4, is it not so? 4x plus 6 is equal to 3. 4x is equal to 3 minus 6. So 4x is equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 by 4. So this is the value of x. Please note down. Two or three marks question. First and second questions are very simple, so therefore I have given them as homework. So third question is, if a is equal to 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, is asking you to find out A into A transpose. A into A transpose and A transpose into A. So first we will do A into A transpose. A into A transpose. First matrix A, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. So A transpose means we know that we need to change the rows and columns. So first row will become first column. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Right? Now what we need to do is, we need to multiply first row with first column. First row with the first column. 2 2s are 4. Plus into plus. Plus. 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus. Plus 1. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row should be multiplied with first column as well as second column by the corresponding element. For 2, the corresponding element is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 0. Next, second row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus, plus. 1 into 1, 1. Plus, 1 minute. Second row, first column, second row, first column. 1 into 2, 2. Minus into plus, minus. 1 into 3, 3. 0 into minus 1, it is minus 0 or plus 0. Either way you can write. Next, second row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. For minus 1, the corresponding element is minus 1. So minus into minus, plus 1. 0 plus 0, 0 into 0, 0. So A transpose is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 14. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer for A transpose. A transpose. Next, we will take A transpose A. Next, we will take A transpose A. Okay, first you copy down this one. Next, A transpose A. So this is given matrix. I should write the transpose of it. 2, 3, minus 1. First row will become first column. I am writing first A transpose. Because A transpose he has given first, then A. 1, minus 1, 0. Next A. A is what? 2, 3, minus 1. 1, minus 1, 0. Now first row, first column. Second column, third column, we should multiply. So 2 2s are 4. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. Okay, and for 2 the corresponding element is 3. For 1 it is minus 1. So 2 into 3, 6. Plus into minus, minus 1. Again, first row, third column. For 2 the corresponding element is minus 1. Plus into minus, minus 2. Plus 0. Next, second row, Similarly, first column, second column, third column. 3 2s are 6. Okay, minus into plus, minus 1. Next, second row, second column. 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus, plus 1. Second row, third column. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into 0, minus 0. Next, third row, first column. I think you are understanding. Third row, first column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next, third row, second column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 0. Next, third row, third column. Minus into minus, plus 1 plus 0. So, therefore, I will get the answer as 4 plus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5, minus 2, 6 minus 1, 5, 10, minus 3, this is minus 2, minus 3, 1. So, this is the answer of A transpose. Yes, you please understand. So, fifth question is homework. Sixth question I have taken. A matrix A, matrix B is asking you to show that AB whole transpose. That means first you have to multiply, then transpose is equal to B transpose, A transpose. For first you have to B transpose you should do, then A transpose you have to do, then multiply. You have to see that the both answers should be same. So first what I have to take is left hand side. AB whole transpose. For that I should do AB. What is A? 2 minus 1, 1, 4. What is B? Minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. So first row, first column. 2 plus into minus, minus. 2, 1, 2, 3s are 6. Okay. Then minus into minus, plus 1. First row, second column. 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus, minus 4. Next, first row with first and second column is over. Second row with the first column. Plus into minus, minus 3. Plus into minus, minus 4 into 1, 4. Then 1 into 2, 2. Plus 4 4s are 16. So AB is equal to minus 5, 0, minus 7, 18. He is asking you to find AB whole transpose is equal to minus 5, first row will become first column, second row will become second column. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, is asking you to find RHS. That is B transpose into A transpose. What is B transpose means? You have to change the row and column. Minus 3, 2 will become first column. Minus 1, 4 will become second column. Then A, 2 minus 1. And 1, 4. Okay, I hope you understood. So, first row, first column. Minus into plus, minus, 3 2 times is 6. Minus into minus, plus 1. First row, first column. First row, second column. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus into plus, minus 4. Next, second row, first column. 2 2s are 4. Plus into minus, minus 4. Next, second row, second column. 2 2 1, 2 1s are 2. Plus 4 4 times is 16. 4 4 times is 16. So A transpose, B transpose is equal to minus 5, minus 7, 0, 18. Call this equation 2. So comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose, A transpose. Remember, always, irrespective of the elements given, always AB whole transpose will be B transpose, A transpose. Similarly like this, BA whole transpose will be equal to A transpose, B transpose. Definitely this will be equal. If it is not equal, if it is not equal, you went wrong somewhere. Irrespective of element I am telling you. So especially while doing the chapters of matrix, for few problems you have to take the numbers very clearly with sign. Okay, for few problems what happens now, even though you take the wrong number, what it is been given in the question paper or in the question, you take a wrong number of it, still you will get the answer, still you will get the proof. Suppose instead of 4, if you take here 2, okay, still this will be proved. Still this will be proved. Remember, always AB whole transpose will be equal to B transpose A transpose. Similarly, AB whole transpose will be equal to A transpose B transpose. So this proof always it is correct. Irrespective of the elements I am telling you. Whatever elements you take the elements of your wish. Still this will be proved. So you should be very careful, especially by solving problems of this type. You should take the numbers very clearly. If you want, you can take any other number and try, you will get the same answer. You will get the proof. So that is the reason why you have to take the question very carefully. Okay, once if you take the question very carefully, definitely these two will be equal. Suppose if it is not equal, means you went somewhere wrong. You have to check the answer. You have to check the answer. In no case, these two will not be equal. In no cases, they will be not equal. Definitely they will be equal. This is also equal. This is also equal. It cannot be unequal. So you see that you take the question properly, and once if you doesn't get these two equal, you recheck, somewhere you will be wrong. This proof cannot be wrong. Always AB whole transpose will be equal to B transpose A transpose. Always BA whole transpose will be equal to A transpose B transpose. The question, this proof cannot be wrong, provided that if you take the right answer and do correctly. Suppose instead of 18, if you get 16, that means it is not equal and you cannot write. Definitely it will be equal. You went somewhere wrong. Either this 16 is wrong or this 18 is wrong. You have to recheck it. No cost, this cannot be unequal. It will be always equal. Yes, please note down. We will continue in the next class. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Yes.